kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.
Are y'all ready for some football? Yes, you guys, it is football season and we're on the patio for football season. So today we're going to be doing a football tablescape on the patio. If y'all know, I love me some football. I'm rooting for Colorado and I'm rooting for Alabama, you guys. Those are the two college teams that I really like, that I really sit down and watch. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on this video, and I hope you like the content that I am sharing with you on today. So in this tablescape, I am trying to use items that are related to football, like the grass runner you see here. Also, if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so happy you decided to join me once again, and thank you for your continued support. Now, y'all know the referees out there on the field, they have on that black and white. So we're going to layer the black and white runner on top of the green grassy runner. And what we're going to do is we're just going to mesh it together just to give it a look of height versus it being very flat on the grass. So far I am liking the look of it. It's giving me the feeling of football. Yes. So y'all, on game days, which is on Saturdays, y'all will see me posting on TikTok what's going on, who I'm rooting for, who's playing who. So y'all check me out over there on TikTok. So follow me on TikTok, you guys, if you aren't already. So now what we have here is we have the placemats. And of course, this is a 4-seater here. So we're using the placemats here, and they are blending in very well with the black and white stripe runner that we have along with the grass. So this 4-seater is a very small space. So you're going to see things being overlapped, like the mats are underneath the grass runner there. But so far, I'm liking the look. So now we're going to bring out these charger plates, and I tried to make it resemble the football. So the charger plate is black with the brown trimming on it. But I don't think I'm going to stop right there. I think I'm going to add something else to it to give it the football effect, to give it the football look. So I think we're going to do that by adding some wooden plates. And instead of making the wooden plates flushed, we're going to kind of tilt them a little bit. So y'all check this out. So as you can see, I'm placing the wooden plate there, and I'm trying to make it kind of look like a football, you guys. But you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to do. So you see that little opening that I have? So that's what I am trying to do with the plate and the charger here. So this is the look that I'm going for, and I'm going to do all 4 place settings just like that. So yeah, you guys, I'm liking the way it looks. I hope y'all can see my vision. I hope y'all can see what I'm going for. But it's looking cute. It's looking festive, and it is ready for Saturday football. So I'm liking the look of what I have here so far. So far, I don't think I'm going to be making any kind of changes with what I have created here already. So yeah, guys, let's keep going so we can get into this reveal of our football tablescape. Okay, y'all see? Yeah, I'm liking the look. I'm liking the look of this already. I'm liking the look. So we're going to use some football napkins here. Well, in actuality, they're not napkins. They're actually kitchen towels. They are kitchen towels, and then I'm just using the wooden bark as the napkin ring. And yes, they are so cute, y'all. They are so cute, y'all. I tried to make this as football festive as I possibly could. But I think I'm going to switch up how I'm doing the napkins here. I'm going to do two a pair together, a set together, because it's just for a 4-seater and things are kind of a little bit big for the space here on the table. So I think by putting the two together, that makes more sense. Okay, but yeah, y'all, they turned out so cute. Look at the wooden bark napkin rings on the football kitchen towels. Y'all, that's too cute. That's too cute. I hope you guys like it so far, and I hope you like it enough whereas you will give me a big thumbs up and also leave me some sweet loving and kind comments down below. So you guys, for those of you who don't know, I do have an Amazon storefront. Not saying that any of these items or in the Amazon storefront, but check out the Amazon storefront that I have. The link is down in the description box, and maybe I have purchased some things or shopped some things that you may be interested in, so go check it out. And also too, if you're not following me on TikTok, what are you waiting for? Go follow me on the tickety top. So I saw these cute little bows that has the football print. I thought it would be cute to add these bows throughout the center of the table to correlate with the napkins. So everything is looking really, really good together. So y'all, let's go ahead. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and get into this reveal. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and thank y'all for watching. Now, the reveal.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.